Okay, welcome back. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. So let's take a look at AUD for the 11th of January. So if you take a look at this movement, right, you can see the trend is an uptrend move, higher highs, higher highs, and is what is actually playing out. And I've talked about expecting a drop on this AUD soon. It's either we start having that massive drop this week, next week, or next 2 weeks. So within in 3 weeks time, right? Within this week, next week, and the upper one in the upper 2 weeks, right? We should be expecting a drop. So by the way, this price is still going bullish, right? So we would want to go ahead and trade with what we are actually seeing and what price is actually playing out, right? You can see that this price is actually trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So now let's start this movement on this AUD. There was an impulse move here, higher highs was made and a correction was made at this level. Then a new highs was made that broke this previous highs, and then here comes a correction. If you take a look at this movement, a new highs has been made that broke this previous highs, and here comes a correction. You can now take a look at this movement, a new highs, right? So I believe that this price will actually, push up a bit, right? But where in the long run, right, you would actually see this price will drop. So another reason why I'm saying AUD will actually drop soon. But so they be able to predict this price for the next day, right? We would have to go down to the 4 hour time frame and see what this price is playing. So we can see that there was once a rejection at this level, right? And we also had a rejection at this level. So once price broke above this level, there was a pullback that played out, right? And now that pullback has happened, what we'll be watching out next on AUD is another one, maybe like call it one more bullish move up on this AUD. So by the way, next day, which is for the 11th, let's see if AUD will actually open and close bullish. And if in case it will give us that bullish move, let's try and grab between 50 to 70 pips for the next day. So AUD is a bullish move that I am actually waiting. So to be on the safer side, if you want to take your trade, I'll say probably wait for this price to break this 10 period simple moving average. Currently, we are trading below this simple moving average. So I mean, for a confirmation, if you want, you can just wait for the price to break above this 10 period simple moving average before you go ahead and take your buy.